Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting, an important notice. I have a Telegram channel about investing in stock and crypto market. My thoughts, my podcast, my order of buying. You can find out my Telegram channel. Link in description down below. You can join it. So I am checking out also 52-week losers in stock market using Yahoo Finance for example, and checking out which stock to choose to buy for long term. And also I'm checking to top losers because I'm interested which stock are crushed, but I'm not checking out top gainers and 52-week gainers for buying. But I am checking top gainers and 52-week gainers because people are interesting. People are interesting because the stock growing and gaining. And I made video by the way for gainers, for example. But I don't recommend to enter into the stock that already growed. Okay? But I make video in top gainers for people because that's on the hype and people are checking out how this stock grow. Wow, Planta Technologies, and people will search in Google Trends plus 24% in 24 hours, or this one Spotify Technology plus 13%, Grab Holdings plus 12%, and people are really interested when they see the results. But when people see crash, people also interested to check out because they are worried what happening with my portfolio, what happening with my stock, and people are searching this. But people are not interested to buy stocks in 52-week losers here. But about 52-week gainers, they are also interesting, and people are going to the jump into that because 52-week gainers, it means uh, it's on the high. That's it. So I prefer to buy stock that 52-week losers. Okay, let's start and check out one of the stock that I recommended in my previous videos, but price crashed after my recommendation. Okay, Medifast that I recommended uh, in this price diapason, if I remind around here at $17, now it's 15 at the moment. That is good chance, and you can buy this stock while others afraid to buy. Here is some accumulation is visible, and this stock has a pretty high discount generally. It's sell and people afraid to buy. By the way, for income statement you can see revenue and net income is going down for quarterly. About annual one you can see its growth and then it's crushed. There is no data for 2024, but if I check out the discount, how much discount from the top, it will surprise you and maybe shock you. Let's see how much discount this stock at the moment. As you see, minus 95% from the top if I measure it. So you can invest this stock as a part of your portfolio, and here is the volumes. Volumes are increased and you can buy this stock. So I have a full video about Medifast stock analysis, and you can enter and check out the video about Medifast. Let's see Virgin Galactic that I am also investing here. As you see, I recommend it in price of $6, I think, in this diapason, and after my recommendation this stock also crashed, and pre-market price you can see for 80. If I open daily time frame, you can see here is the accumulation of Virgin Galactic. I recommend it buy here, and stock crashed. No worries, I'm also buying step by step. And you can see here is a extremely, not extremely, but there is a fair and people are afraid buying. So this is also 52-week low stock, and I prefer this stock because no one believe on this stock. Everyone almost lose their money on this stock because they invested on the green line, uh, in the grid. People cannot control their emotions. People are jumping into stock that it's growing. That's give, I don't know how much profit. That's sign fact profit. So if I measure the discount, let's see how much discount. Momentum like $5. Okay, 99% for example, that's happening. Minus 99%. Okay, and that's also shocking. But I believe that one day this stock will go up, and it will be pump, and it will be surprise people in my opinion. Again, I will be mistake, but I invested as a part of your portfolio in this stock. The next stock that I invested, that's QuantumScape Corporation. So I recommended to buy QuantumScape Corporation, and price did not crash after my recommendation. Here the chart is pretty beautiful and it's good accumulation. It's pretty nice to check out, to see, to enjoy the process before growing. So I am investing in QuantumScape Corporation of also. So I am aggressive investors and my strategy in aggressive investment. So here you can see there is a fair and people are afraid buying QuantumScape Corporation because you can see it's not growing and people are disappointed to wait long term here before it will go up. So since 2021 they invested on the process of growing, for example on this green line or maybe here, and they catch correction and they cannot wait long time to be in plus. They are not think that they need to buy this stock more to average cost decrease the average cost value, and then when the stock goes up, for example few 100% or minimum 10x profit, 1000%, they will be have a huge profit, or for example few 100% in the worst case scenario. So they they are invested here, made mistake, okay, they are jumped in the emotions and they are in minus. If people are didn't solve this, then I recommend to buy now and reduce their average cost price from $70 to the close to $5. For example, maybe 15 it can be, 20 can be. You need just buy. That's it. Buy and hold. Buy and hold. No worries about. Diversify your portfolio and buy and hold. If you are young, if you have no child, if you are not married, if you have no debt, you have no problem with that, then you can affect you. You can buy the stock that's aggressive. You can buy crypto as you are young, in at young age. You invest in aggressive stocks, in aggressive, it means also cryptocurrency, also aggressive. So I'm looking stocks that are similar to cryptocurrency and it's aggressive. I liked it. For example, Opendoor technology stock, I also invested deeply and I hold. I like this because also 52-week low stock, and if you want to prefer to aggressive investment, you can buy and have a maximum profit. There is no guaranteed, but you can see here volumes are high and that's nice to see. Here is again fair and people are selling in minus because I already explained that people are jumping when it's green, but people afraid buying when it's red and they are selling instead of that. So this is also have a discount, big discount. By the way, if I check discount from here, it's minus 96%, like that. And I recommend, highly recommend, to invest in Opendoor technology stock as a part of your portfolio. And maybe after a few years, you may say thank you to you that you invested in aggressive stocks also. XP World Holdings. I also like this. Here you can see beautiful accumulation, and I also investing in this XP stock before it will be grow up, in my opinion. Again, this stock is also has discount, and it's nice to follow. It's nice to see, and it's nice to invest in every single month minus 88%. While this stock is not growing, while this stock accumulating, I'm investing in only on the red line here. When it's red and people are afraid, then I investing. So fair and good index is showing also again. Fair here 1 year price target of analytics is 41%, but I'm not going to the 41%. I will wait the all-time high. Everything that I recommend, I prefer to wait for all-time high. Xan Kosan say this stock producing sugar or something like that in Brazil. I didn't invest it in the stock yet, but this is dividend stock, and dividend yield you can see 6%. By the way, revenue also good for here quarterly, annual one. If I open quarterly one, normal, okay, but annual one is growing, and there is no data available for 2024. By the way, this is neutral position at the moment, but by the way, globally, this stock can grow. You can invest as a first order, and I will wait minimum 300%. Of course, that is low discount for this stock, and maybe risk can be higher because discount is 75% minus, but other stock already minus 85, minus 95, minus 99%. Uh, Analytic price target, 1 year price target is 140%. I don't know it's real or not, but here volumes are good, and you can also check out this stock. So Moderna, for example, also 52-week low stock, and I like this, but I didn't invest it yet. I plan to buy. I have 40 plus type of stocks in my portfolio, and I didn't invest it in everything yet, but I will do it soon. So here, if I check out Moderna is extremely fair. People are extremely selling this stock because price is crashing. They invested here on the green line, and they catch correction here, catch down, and let's see how much discount for this Moderna stock. Minus 92%. Okay, guys, so you can place your first order, buy here, and make sure in the case of crashing, you need to buy more. For example, if you invested in current price and price crashing minus 50%, I will highly recommend to buy the second time to decrease your average cost for stock. And in that way, if you are ready to wait few years in every stock, that will be good for you, and you may earn money, and you may be in plus, and there is a high chance that you can earn big money with big person, because I choose and I recommend the highly aggressive stock. That's why I don't uh, checking out, for example, S&P 500 for investment. Yes, S&P 500 is a low risk, but it's moving slowly, and I prefer for aggressive investment. And also the price is pretty expensive for me, and it's not comfortable for me. But by the way, you can check out ETFs that with the lower money and S&P 500, but I don't recommend because it's on the top. S&P 500, for example, and I can check out, for example, something, uh, this one maybe. Yes, you can see everything that's connected to S&P 500. It's on the top, it's growing, and I prefer to enter when it's crashing, when it's going, when it's in the bear market. Here is a bull market, and I don't invest in bull market. So here are different S&P 500, but I don't invest again because it's on the top. Generally, everything on the top connected to S&P 500. Yes, it's crashing here also, but it's crashing pretty low, and you may earn lower percent that I compare to the other stocks. This is a fund. This is the ETF. Okay, plus 55% here, plus 149%. Now let's see the difference of Opendoor technology, for example, plus 2800%, and I cannot compare to S&P 500. Yes, risks are higher, but reward is pretty high, and I am a young person. I prefer to invest in aggressive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos from me. My notebook battery is low and I need to turn off video. Write your feedback, your opinion, which stock you prefer to buy. Show you You can show your results, for example, if you are in minus, so this notebook will be turned off, then that's why I'm closing. So write your feedback down below.